Let's go. Let's go buy your toys. Hello. Everyone know hanky panky. Just tell everyone. What about this, man?
Hey, we had to buy Ladybug for you. Do you remember?
Hello, Bunty. Oh man, he's scary.
No, he's not taking it.
Sherose, no. Let's go. Sherry. Sherry. He's scary. Let's go, let's go. Not scary.
Yeah.
What about these ones? They are scary. Which one's your favorite? Let's go. Sherose, let's go, let's go. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Yeah.
I did somebody.
Everyone who can hear me, I just want to say no hanky panky. What do you want to say?
Nothing.
I want to say no hanky panky.
And I want to say nothing.
Hey buddy, no hanky panky today.
What?
No, I told the other guy.
Nothing.
So this is toy shop, man.
What toppy?
Choose your toy.
Okay, my phone. My phone is Ladybug. Awoo.
What about this one? You want to buy this?
No! It's a Toby over here. That's it.
Do you want to buy Toby?
Toby not real. In the trunk. They're not Toby.
So what do you want to buy? You want to buy some balloons?
They're not Toby's birthday.
You want to buy Batman? Batman.
Batman.
Yeah.
Where is he? I will remember something.
What?
Last time I had that. No?
Go see toys quickly. Find something. What do you want to
No,
buy?
I want to see what's in this. What? Alright.
Oh, look.
What?
This one is Minecraft.
Minecraft?
But Aryan say he want to buy Roblox.
Or what?
Let me find. Maybe I can find Roblox here.
Daddy!
Yeah.
I can't find it.
Sure. I think we can find Roblox for Aryan. It's somewhere here. Look, Minecraft is here. What is this? Is it Toby? Oh, don't open it, man. You serious?
There's nothing time to chase it.
First you need to choose. If you like it, then you have to pay. Then you can open it. You silly. We just need to find Roblox. Roblox is somewhere here for sure. Brother, do you know where are the Roblox toys? Roblox.
Roblox toys
Something like
would
this.
be in these two aisles here.
Something like this.
Yeah, if we've got anything for Roblox, it'd be in these two aisles here.
Yeah, it says on the website it says available, but we can't find it. Something like this. Yeah, it says on the website it's available in Big W. It costs like $6.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. I haven't seen if we did have it, it would be in these aisles.
Roblox. Maybe check on the phone, then you can get some number, isn't it?
We'll have a look for you.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਖੇਡਦਿਆਂ ਵਾਕਈ ਡਰ ਲੱਗ